Four 14-year-olds from R.E.A.L Schools' Shah Alam Campus certainly proved that age was no barrier. Despite being the youngest contestants, they outwitted a bunch of 16 to 18-year-old board game enthusiasts from 7 other schools. And with that, clinching first prize at the Tabletop 2018 Battle Royal Board Game Creation Competition. With the simple theme of environment, R.E.A.L Schools' Team Aegis presented a winning design that was engaging, purposeful, and stimulating.
I'm Muhammad Imran from Tree Hope.
I'm Ines Nurnyssa from Two Love.
I'm Rachhitaa from Class 2 Faith.
And I'm Irdeena from 2 Faith. We won
Tabletop
2018 Battle Royal.
in KDU.
The teacher went asking students.
She mainly asked for those who are free, have initiative, and like sport games.
And we
Yeah,
do
and
like board games.
So we thought we could try it out.
The Chinese game that was there, Sukuru.
Like Monopoly.
Train to Ride.
My favorite was a few games which is from Lego called the Lego game series.
This game is something like Othello, and this game is called Jungle City.
So the jungle just came alive and is sick of the city.
And
Basically, they're fighting for their space. So the city takes too much from the jungle, and the jungle is like
trying to claim back their properties.
So it's a tug of war type of situation.
I think it's one criteria. Easy to learn but hard to master.
We focused on
Strategizing.
strategizing, so it's easy to play where you can just fill in the ball randomly, but it's hard to master because you can never truly master because of the dice.
we actually followed the theme, and we actually explained
The other
why.
teams are actually good, but sometimes they got carried away by their board games.
Promoting?
Okay. Maybe have more people know about it and try playing it first.
Make more games. Maybe like try new games.
Allow a lot of people to play test.
Since we already know the basics, like you have to do the prototype first, and it's hard doing a board game actually.